Think out of the box. An interesting story. In a small Italian town, hundreds of years ago, a small business owner owed a large sum of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was a very old, unattractive-looking guy, but he liked the businessman's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the loan shark said that he would only wipe out the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. Needless to say, the proposal was met with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place 2 pebbles into a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, the debt would be white, but the loan shark would then marry her. If it was white, the debt would also be wiped, but the daughter wouldn't have to marry the loan shark. Standing on a pebble-strewn path in the businessman's garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up 2 pebbles. Whilst he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he'd picked up 2 black pebbles and placed them both into the bag. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and picked one. The daughter naturally had 3 choices as to what she could have done. Refuse to pick a pebble from the bag. Number 2. Take both pebbles out of the bag and expose the loan shark for cheating. Number 3. Pick a pebble from the bag, fully well knowing it was black, and sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. She drew out a pebble from the bag, and before looking at it, accidentally dropped it into the midst of the other pebbles. She said to the loan shark, "Oh, how clumsy of me! Never mind. If you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked." The pebble left in the bag is obviously black. The loan shark knew it, and so he didn't want to expose. He played a trick to cheat the businessman but he failed in his trap. Finally, the loan shark cleared her father's debt. So, here we have some vocabularies from the story. Please look at it and memorize them. So, we have more vocabularies from the story. Have a look. More. Here we have more vocabularies. Have a look. And please memorize them. The end.